Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Starting a new chapter after your Diwali vacation. EVS 1, class 5th. Okay. Chapter number 16, water. Children, kindly go to page number 77 in your EVS textbook. Can you recall what happens when a spoonful of sugar, sawdust and soil are added to a glass of water? What happens, children, when you add sugar and there is some sawdust and soil? When you add to a glass of water, the water gets polluted or muddy, or it no more remains as a drinking water. Okay, now can you tell me which are the three states of water? Can anybody tell me what are the three states of water? The three states of water are solid, liquid and gaseous. Okay. What is done to make drinking water clean and safe, children? Nowadays, if you want to drink water, so you must have seen there are purifiers in the school, in your house, in the cinema hall, right? Because the water which is available in the river, lakes, you can't just drink directly. Why, children? But 30 years back, 50 years back, we could have drank that water directly. But nowadays you can't drink because the water is polluted. So in this chapter we are going to learn pollution of water. Okay, so you will see while it is raining, let us try this. Okay, there are two small activity. While it is raining, collect some of the rainwater directly in a clean container placed in the open. Also collect some of the While it is raining, collect some of the rainwater directly in a clean container placed in the open. Also collect some of the rainwater that is flowing over the ground. Observe and compare the two. What difference do you see? What is the reason for that? What difference, children? If you collect a rainwater directly while it is raining, that water is in the glass A, and in the glass B, collect water from the ground where it is raining. Okay, so you will see the water which you collected directly when it was raining, it is clean, and the water which you collected from the ground in the glass B is muddy, right, children? So there is a difference. So can you drink muddy water? No, you require pure water to drink. When other substance get mixed with the water, it becomes impure. Some of this substance float in the water, so the water looks unclean or muddy and we cannot see them. If the substance that have got mixed with the water are harmful for living things, we say that the water has been polluted. Okay, children? Now, can you tell me, list the substances that are mixed in the wastewater drained out of the kitchen and bathroom in the house? How water gets polluted, children? See, when the wastewater you understand? When you are washing utensils means vessel. What happens? That dirty water from your sink goes into the sea, lake, river, different places, and then that water, the river water, lake water, those water directly drains into the drinking water. So you can't, so what happens, even the factory water, in industries, whatever waste are there, chemical waste or whatever washing is done, all that water, sewage water, we call them sewage water, gets, see, you can see in this slide, disposal of water, wastewater, all this dirty water goes into the river, lake, okay, even in the sea. See, sea water is not drinkable, but even that gets polluted. When the sea water gets polluted, what happens? All our aquatic animals, fish, then corals, and there are big whale and shark and lobster, all these aquatic animals, they also develop some or the other diseases, and they also die sometime, because of the water pollution. And when this water, dirty water, sewage water, we call it sewage water, gets into the river, lake, so what happens? That water we are going to drink, no children? So that needs to be treated. So whenever BMC there is a drinking water coming in our coming in our kitchen, or wherever you get drinking water, you should always think twice and then drink that water, because you just can't drink directly. At home also now we have purifier, because though it is treated and they put chlorine and lots of other things to purify it, but still that water is safe or not, nobody knows, because there are microorganisms in the clean water also, right? So we need to, the wastewater of this city or town is collected and let into the water body at a convenient location. The wastewater from the residential building as well as from the factories and industries contain many kinds of impurities. Some of this dissolve in water while some do not. Which gets dissolved, you can't see and you think yes, this is the clean water, because glass में तो clean दिख रहा है, but no, even that water is not safe for drinking. So you have to cross check it, or you boil the water. 15 minutes of boiling the water, 15 to 20 minutes, and then you drink that water. That is much more safer. Okay children, see, that we will see later on. Sewage water can carry microorganisms that spread diseases. Wastewater from the industry is more likely to contain poisonous substance. You can see children in the second slide, wastewater from the industry. Second, third slide you will see. Picture you can see. If all this wastewater is let into water bodies as it is, the water body becomes polluted, and that is dangerous. Such water cannot be used for drinking or for any other purpose. That is why it is compulsory for factory owners to treat the water before letting it out. There are some treating plants. Plant means not that way plant. I mean, there are some water treating machines, okay? They have made compulsory that please, before letting the water into the water bodies like lake, rivers, please purify them or do treatment and then dispose in the water bodies. But how much they follow, we don't know. Similarly, sewage and other wastewater of the town and city is processed for purification before letting it into a water body. This helps to prevent pollution of water. Okay, flowing water of rivers gets purified to some extent by natural process. Also, before water is supplied to a town or city, it is purified. So there are purifying machines. Even the government purifies it, but still it is better to purify at your home also, because we don't know no how much if whether that machine is also safe or not, we don't know. So it's better to boil the water and then drink it. Okay, now moving ahead, as you can see on page number 78, do you know if large quantities of impurities get mixed with river water, the natural process of purification cannot keep pace. The proportion of oxygen dissolved in water is reduced, and this is a threat to the aquatic living things. See, if there are too much impurities and that impurity get mixed with the river water, the fishes and all the aquatic small animals will die. Small or big animals, it will harm, no, because there is no oxygen left in water, right children? Because water is what? H2O. So O means oxygen. So it's a mixed component. Now let us see. There are few activities for you. You can try at home if you're able to do. See, take a plastic bottle, tie a clean piece of cloth over its mouth. See, you can see plastic bottle liya hai and there is a cloth, clean cloth which is tied. Okay, tie its mouth. Tie a clean piece of cloth over its mouth. Okay, bottle को half कर दिया है and then the mouth of the bottle they have tied with a cloth and hold the bottle upside down, means बॉटल के बेस के अंदर बॉटल का माउथ डाला है. सी, pour some powdered coal into it. Coal, okay, koila. Coal means coal. Then add fine sand, and lastly coarse sand. पहले बारीक sand, then coarse means rough sand. Okay, then add coarse sand to make 3 different layers inside the bottle as shown in the diagram. You can see cloth is there, then powdered coal, then fine sand, and then coarse sand. Place the bottle on its lower cut of its portion as shown in the figure. Now pour some muddy water containing some rubbish slowly into this water. Now pour some muddy water. Okay children, so what will happen? Observe the water that flows into the base of the bottle. It appears clean. Of course, you have learned that there could be microorganism in it. Okay, it becomes clean. A simple method for filtering water. But can you drink it? That guarantee nobody will give you. So it's better boil the water and drink. Okay children, so they are saying it is safe for drinking. In olden days they used to do all this small things, but nowadays we have modern technology, we have purifiers. कुछ नहीं है तो boil करो. Okay, one more thing. Do you know, while traveling, we often buy bottled drinking water, right, children? The bottles are available at places like bus stand and railway station. Read the information about the water given on the bottle and tell about it too. The date of the bottling and the period for which the water can be safely used is printed on the bottle, right? It is important to read this information when buying a bottle. Once you have opened it, the water should not be kept for long. The empty bottle must be crushed into a garbage bin so that it cannot be reused. So whenever you are buying Aquafina, Bisleri, Himalaya water, whatever water you are buying from bus stop, railway station or from medical shop or anywhere, check the date. Okay, the date when it is packed, because this water are treated water means they are treated in the factory, they are purified, and then you have to drink this water in the given period only. So the life must be just 12 months or 2 years. So you must always check, and it has some small instructions also that if you have opened the bottle, you should use the bottle within 24 hours or 48 hours. So you can't use for keep for 1 week and you say ये तो safe है, ये तो Bisleri है. No, ऐसा नहीं है. It is not that way. Right, children? The packaging itself has some instruction and information about the water, and how if you once you open, you should finish it in how many hours, and all that details are given. Okay, children? And then you should crush it. वो बॉटल को ऐसे ही नहीं फेंकना है, फिर कोई भी उठा के लेके जाके भर के सील करके फिर बेचेगा, बोला बिस्लरी है. सो यू शुड क्रश द बॉटल को क्रश कर देना चाहिए. सो व्हाट हैपन्स, नोबडी कैन cheat, nobody can reuse the bottle. Okay, children? Please write all these dictation words, and from this week onwards, whatever work we are giving you, you have to send the homework in the PDF form. Okay, and read the notice properly. Thank you.